When we think about who works in Congress, we often think about our Congress members and our senators, right? The two groups of people we elect to work in Congress. But there's a third group, staffers. These staffers either work on committees or for a specific Congress member or senator. And in their work on committees or for a specific lawmaker, they're going to do a lot of research, right? They're going to look up information about bills, about their district or state, if it's a senator, about their specific problems that the Congress member or senator they work for wants to solve, or about problems within the jurisdiction of the committee they're on. And so they're going to do all this different types of research, help reduce time and information costs for their Congress member, senator, or committee. However, if they work for a Congress member, they're going to have an additional role doing casework. Casework is when you, as a constituent, someone who lives in a district where their Congress member works, are going to call up your Congress member and say, hey, I need help with something, right? Now, not just anything, right? You can't call up and get help with your homework or something. But if you say, I'm having trouble with this federal agency, maybe immigration services or the post office or Social Security, just to name a couple, you're having those problems, you can call up and you can say, hey, I need help with this. And a specific staffer in your congressperson's office is going to have a lot of expertise dealing with that specific casework area and the relevant federal agencies, and they are going to help you navigate that bureaucracy. If you're not familiar with the word bureaucracy, that's okay. We talk about it in Unit 2. But they're going to help you navigate that. They're going to help you solve your problem. So that is one of the big roles of Congress members. And it's something that can be really helpful for individual constituents who have problems. And this helps explain one of the reasons why we tend to like our own congressperson a lot more than we as a whole like Congress. So if you look at public polling, you'll notice people rate their congressperson usually pretty highly, but Congress as a whole usually pretty low. Casework is one of those reasons, because if your congressperson does casework for you and helps you out with something, say you lose your passport and you're about to go out of town and you need an emergency replacement passport, your Congress member is going to have someone who's an expert in that, and they're going to be able to do the casework and maybe get you that passport in time. You're going to really like your congressman for that, right? Congressman or woman. You're going to be really happy with that. They helped you out of a sticky situation. So you're going to like them a lot for that. This, of course, benefits the congressperson when it comes time to get reelected, and it benefits you as their constituent because you've had help with something you needed.